Back inside from the rain. Nothing quite like the feel of socks on the cool wood floor and getting these shoes lined up just right.
This tea is just right, isn't it? It really warms you up.
The rain has slowed, leaving behind the fresh scent of the garden. I love the smell of the mint and shiso after a shower. Please help yourselves. Everything is still warm.
The sautéed vegetables look delicious.
Smells amazing. After lunch cleanup was always a peaceful time for us. A simple rhythm of plates and water.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer true.
In the quiet rhythm of the rain, he found solace within the worn pages.
Knitting has always been a practice in patience. The yarn warms against my fingers and slowly.
Walking down the old path after the rain, damp leaves clung to my shoes with every step.
There's nothing quite like the scent of a simmering stew to warm the soul on a chilly evening.
Good kitty, aren't you hungry?
He really loves those treats.
Here you are, eat while it's warm.
It looks delicious, thank you.
It smells wonderful.
And then he realized the dog wasn't even his.
Oh, Dad, that's hilarious. He really said that. The perfect end to the day, sharing warm tea and sweet fruit together. Nothing compares to a hot bath after a long week. Just letting the steam clear my mind.
Breathe in peace and breathe out tension.
In the quiet warmth of the afternoon, surrounded by family, she finally felt unhurried. Finally, the rushing around has stopped. I feel completely healed.